Alright. So I'm rushing off to my boyfriend's co-working space because I think I'm getting a bit unproductive working at home. So I'm going to head in and just hope that nice views and scenery will just spur me on. So I'm packing my bag. He's ordered lunch for me and he's like, are you coming, are you coming, are you coming? And I think she was like, yeah, I'm just going for the door. When in fact, I'm not. I'm still at home. But yeah, I'll take you with me so that you can see what it's like. Just to put this into context, it's September and it's still really quite hot. It's 22 degrees. Oh, the dream. So we're now a few weeks later. When I was coming back from Nordscan, I got a call from my boyfriend in a frenzy. Essentially, he had gotten home and discovered that the flat was flooded. Everything of ours was just soaked. It was disgusting, stagnant water, can I just say? And yeah, it wasn't the best. So because our flat was flooded, we had to move out. We had to stay in a hotel for a few days. And thank God our valuables like our laptop, passport, stuff like that is all good, it's all safe. But yeah, because the flat flooded, our landlord now has to investigate why it flooded and we might have to move out if more extensive work is needed, which is sad because I really like this place. Like I've gotten myself quite settled. So I really don't want to move out. Actually, yeah, really quite sad. So yeah, that's the reason why I haven't filmed in so long. Plus, I've already been to Ibiza. Ibiza was really fun, much needed. It was scenic, beautiful, and the food was just amazing. I went with my boyfriend's family and we're such a good group. I have to say that we got on so well when we go on holiday and it was just, yeah, so relaxing and what we needed after like what was a very stressful couple of days. I'm sorry, I didn't actually vlog the Ibiza trip because to be honest, I get really uncomfortable like filming in public, especially when, you know, when you're sort of in a happy situation, especially with your family, and you don't want to be like whipping out the camera. I'm already that annoying friend because I obviously photograph and film food all the time. So I feel like to film that bit more might be taking an extra inch really. So yeah, maybe next time. But anyway, I've got my Spanish class tomorrow, so I'll take you along and show you how that goes. So I've just finished my Spanish class and yeah, it's an experience, I'm not gonna lie. I'm so bad when it comes to languages. When I was in school, I got a D in my GCSE French. I think it's just scarred me for life. I just always have it in my mind that I can't learn a new language, I'd be really bad, I don't sound good, I feel embarrassed as well when I speak it, so I think I just need to get out of my head. But yeah, at least I'm going and we'll see. Also, I'm wearing this coat and it's boiling. It's October and I don't need this coat, but I'm gonna actually go and get myself a little treat. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop and get something. I just want something sweet. I just want something as a treat because it was stressful in there. This place is amazing, always full. So good. So I'm back home. I've made myself half presentable. I'm doing some more filming. After that, I'm gonna try and do a little bit of work on my blog, have my cake as I work on my blog because yeah, I'm gonna marry the two. I might go for a walk if I've got time, but we'll see. And I'm actually repeating the Spanish alphabet in my head to try and retain what I've like learned already. So, oh god, this is gonna be a test. A, B, C, D, E, F-A, hair, arche, E, oh my god. Hair. You see, I even forget the English alphabet as I try and remember the Spanish. I know, pretty sad, but I'm getting there. I think once I get past, once I get past J, which is hotter, it should be plain sailing, but you know, we'll see. So let's do some filming. It's always so hard to make pie look good. It tastes delicious, I have to say. In my humble opinion, this tastes really pretty good, but I just don't think it looks that particularly appetizing, which is so annoying because I want people to click on my thumbnail. So I'm gonna try and make it look good and add some of the custard that I made to yeah, just make it a bit more appealing. So I've just completed a day of heavy filming and I really need to just sort out my footage. My footage is just everywhere. I've got footage from like Ibiza, I've got like footage from like what I've just filmed now, and just lots of just random stuff I thought, oh, you know, I'll edit, and just haven't gotten around to doing. So I'm gonna sit down and just commit to just organising my life and putting everything into files. I've got like a Trello workflow that I use to just organise my content. I'm going to update that with all the footage that I have collected so I don't forget it, because I am just so bad for that. So I'm going to do that now. There's a new day today. Yesterday I just ended up, oh my god, I spent an hour just transferring all my footage over. I watched a little bit of Game of Thrones and I went to bed. And now I'm actually editing all the stuff that I shot yesterday, and I got back from Spanish class. I really want to get my A1 certificate. My teacher's really good. I'm loving learning, but it is hard. As someone who only speaks English, yeah, I'm struggling, I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna work quite late. I'm gonna be doing 2 YouTube videos, the custard and the apple pie. But yeah, I'm sorry, it's been quite boring today. I think tomorrow might be a lot more exciting. We're going on a little spa trip. I'm actually on the bus now. Let me show you what it looks like. Quite like it, it's quite jazzy. I would say this is the first proper trip that we've done in Barcelona. Oh, let me get back to my direction duties. I'm meant to be leading the way. That's so cool. This is on the house. Wow. So nice. I have to say, this place is amazing. You get so much for your money. Like, my dish was €12 and my boyfriend, he literally had a huge hunk of meat, €15, which came with chips, and then we had a bottle of wine, €12, and then we had a flan that was €350. Altogether, I think it was pretty good. I don't know, what do you think? I've literally paid for way more expensive meals and been so disappointed because it just tasted mediocre, whereas here I'm like, I'll come back. Like, it's, yeah, really pretty good. So now onto the spa.